Jared's first time with the biter biscuit for his teeth and gums. Auntie Jen bought that for him. Thank you, Auntie Jen. Here's a good audience. Daddy, Grandma, Grandpa Gary, and Mommy. Honey, that's something you eat, not a toy. Hi! Here, look. Oh!
So I'll figure it out. Anything goes in my mouth anyway.
More. Oh. Forgot about it. There we go. What do you think, baby? Yeah. Feels good.
It's like a lollipop.
Good baby. Oh, it's starting to come off. You can see it on his bottom teeth. There's a scratch mark on the back. Like it. Yeah, baby. You're so big.
That's good, huh, bud? Starting to get a little gooey.
It's gonna be all over. That's gotta feel so good on your teethers. Okay, we'll check back in later, see how much damage you've done.